Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all well. So in today's episode I'm doing something a little bit different. It's going to be like a vlog. So the idea is that I'm going to Worthing to meet a friend of mine called Eamon who runs a shop called Contrast Clothing. Now the plan is I've got a sneaker that I want to trade with him. So I want to see if I can get some store credit, get some clothing, maybe get some sneakers. We'll see what happens. But if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like so it lets me know that you're enjoying these vlogs. And I'll do some more for you for sure. So in a bit, basically, I'll see you soon. So, David is going to have a look at the shoe that I plan on trading today. It's the first time he's seen it as well, so be intrigued to see what we think. Yeah. So the plan today for David as well is that he needs to go to the shop to get a shoe for Creps as well. So
I'm slightly out of practice with shoes.
So it'll be interesting to see if he ends up going home with this shoe.
Oh wow,
that'll be pretty funny.
The worst part is I would actually buy these. These are a little bit of me though, aren't they?
They are nice.
That is so nice. They're really good condition still as well.
They are new, yeah, they are.
Pristine
they are new.
still.
Yeah, they're a wicked shoe. So
really nice.
See what Eamon can do for us, and yeah, we'll go from there. Cool.
I want it cheap, so I get them cheaper.
All good, yeah, it's been good. Ooh, nice to finally be here. Brilliant shoe. Yeah.
Just a night pop.
There you go.
Freshies, man.
On the way in, obviously, we're all going to prep, and David's still yet to get a shoe. So I was like,
size do you have to be, David? Very nice, really lovely, really nice.
I'm surprised it was I think, to be honest, like, it's nice to see them do something a little bit less sort of in your face. Some of the Nike stuff they've released in the past couple of weeks has been really like in your face. And if it's not in your face, it's out in JD. So it's like some of the stuff they're pushing out in JD, like, some of the girl colourways, like the pinks and the blues and stuff like that, they're not that bad. It's just a bit depressing that they end up in the JD and they're not like a specific release. That's the only bad point I could ever think about. Oh, that's cool. It's established. Yeah, still hoping he's doing anything, just use clothing as well, accessories, it's lifetime, so you can use whatever you want.
we'll see what we can find. Have a look around. Already on the shelf. Everyone wants it. Now let's come.
And Contrast Clothing brand on Instagram and Facebook.
There you go, check them out. If you're in Worthing, why not? Okay, so it wasn't until I started editing this video I realised I haven't done sort of like a video of what I actually picked up at Contrast, so I thought I'd quickly show you. So obviously the hoodie here, which you can see, was from Contrast, along with the sort of like the cargo joggers as well. You've got the extra sort of flaps there. They also threw in a couple of goodies for me as well. So I've got my Dream sneaker as an air freshener, which is pretty cool. Also got some sneaker wipes and some stickers as well, sort of with Contrast branding on it. So thanks again to the team there for hooking me up. I've still got some store credit left over as well, and they've got a few more hoodies coming to their collection soon, which I'm bound to pick up. So I'm sure I'll be there shortly. So if you did enjoy this video, give it a like, let me know, and I'll probably record when I go back there to pick up some more clothing. But until next time, thanks again, and I'll see you later.